The COVID-19 situation in many countries remains grim. Germany held a national Memorial Day to pay tribute to the nearly 80,000 lives lost to COVID-19 in the country. Now, meanwhile, Japan continues to grapple with a fourth wave of the pandemic, and Brazil is seeing an uptick in COVID-19 deaths among pregnant women. Our Choi Min-jung reports.
Germany held a national memorial service on Sunday for the nearly 80,000 lives lost to the COVID-19 pandemic. The memorial event in Berlin was led by the German president and attended by Chancellor Angela Merkel and top German officials. In his speech, the president paid tribute to the victims and expressed sympathy to the mourners of loved ones.
Today, as a society, we want to remember those who died lonely and often agonizing deaths during this dark time. 80,000 people have fallen victim to the virus in our country so far. Today, we want to express our sympathy to all mourners everywhere in our country. We want to tell them, you are not alone with your sorrow, not alone in your grief.
Meanwhile, Japan continues to grapple with the fourth wave of the pandemic, as the country reported more than 4,000 new cases for 5 consecutive days. According to NHK News, Japan on Sunday confirmed 4,093 cases. Daily cases in Osaka hit an all-time high with more than 1,200 confirmed, and Tokyo surpassed 500 cases for the 6th straight day. With surging cases in Osaka and Tokyo, watchers say Japan may be forced to consider reissuing another state of emergency to curb infections before the Olympics set for July. Brazil, one of the world's worst pandemic-hit countries, is witnessing an uptick in COVID-19 deaths among pregnant women. According to a local media outlet on Saturday, an average of 22 pregnant women have died per week this year due to COVID-19. This is more than double compared to last year's weekly average number of deaths. Health authorities say the spike in deaths for pregnant women is mainly due to the Brazilian variant, which is known to be more transmissible. The government has warned women to delay any plans to get pregnant, saying it is best to wait a little for safety. Choi Min-jung, Arirang News.